Hi, guys. Welcome to our series all about Wix carts, orders, and checkouts. Below your products, you should see an Add to Cart button, which is, of course, how your customers pick the things they want to buy. But whenever they click on that Add to Cart button, what would you like to happen? That's what we're going to talk about in today's video. By the way, I'm going to show you first how to get to this page. So go to Pages and Menu on the left, and under Store Pages, go to Product Page, and you should be routed to your product page. Click on your product page element and then click on Settings. Go to the Settings tab on this small window and go to the Add to Cart category right over here. Make sure that this one's enabled. And when the button is clicked, there are actually four options you can choose from. So you can show a success pop-up, you can open your side cart, go to cart page, or stay on your product page. Select an option that best suits your needs and preferences. Say, for example, we'd like to open our site card for the user's convenience. So that means whenever they click on the Add to Cart button, a side cart will appear over here. But feel free to choose what you'd like to happen from these four options. So once you're done, make sure to click on Save to save your changes. And if your site's previously been published, you can click on Publish again in order to publish your changes to your live site as well. And basically, that's it. We hope you found today's video of help. If you did, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.